guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be reviewing some shoes today. I have 4 pairs of shoes that I bought from Amazon that I just think they're absolutely fabulous, and I want to share them with you guys, okay? I would also put a clip of what they look like on my feet in this video, all right? So first one I'm going to review is this beauty here that I already opened them. Of course, you can't get a pair of shoes and don't open them. And it's green. Look at that. Let me give you a close-up. See that? Those are all crystals. Okay, this piece is plastic, so it's covered. And the brand, it's from Jessica Simpson. We got the plastic strap for around the lower leg, okay? And it's very, very pretty. I wear size 7 and it just fit perfectly. To me, it's not too small. I do have narrow feet, so just in case you guys have narrow feet, perfect. I feel that a wider foot person probably having a little difficulty with the toe part of it. However, you never know, because sometimes a lot of the reviews actually I read, they have wide feet and they said it fits well. So get it, because guess what? You can always return it. It's Amazon. They're amazing. It is Jessica Simpson, and I got it in the color green. I'm not sure if there's more colors. I totally forgot, to be honest, but just check it out. I'm gonna have a link in the description box. The next pair are these pumps, high heel pumps. They're really, really nice. They have the thicker heel right here. The instep here is thicker and the heel is really high. However, I forgot what the height of this the shoes are. Just check the link, and they have amazing descriptions, so just check those out. But the platform area, because it's high, it just like balance everything, and it do strap up for all you girls out there who love strappy shoes. They do strap up on your leg. I like to just strap them a little lower, and they still look fabulous. So they are cute and they're very comfy and they're very sturdy. I haven't worn them out yet, but I've worn them around the house just to get a feel of them, and they're fine, okay? So check them out. And so these are them. I got size 7. They were true to size. I didn't have to size up or size down. They have them in different colors. I know they have these in different colors, and I got the black. The material is suede, and they're just very comfy and they're very cute. So this is what they look like on my feet. Now the next pair is Jessica Simpson. I love Jessica Simpson shoes. They're very sexy. Some of them are not so comfy though, because they're so high. But this pair, check this out. It got studs and it's see-through. They're very, very cute, and they are comfy as well. And again, I haven't worn them out, okay? Now this one is, what size is this? 7 medium. Again, I have narrow feet. 7 medium fits fine. So this is what they look like on my feet. And I saved the best for last, guys. This is the brand, and they're absolutely beautiful. Now, I read the reviews for these shoes, and there was like a lot of complaint about, there were a lot of reviews that say that you have to size up, and there were some that saying that you have to size down. Yeah, so just by reading the reviews and just looking at how the shoe is, I decided to take a chance and size down. It has crystals or diamonds all over it. It is beautiful. They have them in gold. I bought them in gold. This is the gold. And the covering area here over the toes, it's plastic and it's not sharp. A lot of the reviews were saying that their feet slipped in the middle through here. So I sized down. I took a 6.5, and I bought anti-sliding pads to go with it. I did try the shoe on as soon as I got it because I was so excited, and my toe was not slipping through. However, I was just walking around the house in it. I don't know what's gonna happen when I go outside, okay? So I decided to buy the slip grip, and you know, you can't go wrong with the anti-sliding pad. Absolutely, it just looked absolutely amazing on my feet. They're so pretty. What is it, sweetie? You wanna go pee-pee? Okay, I'm gonna let you out right now. All right, cutie. Okay, you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Come here, come here, come here, come here. Say hi, come. Say hi. These are my fur babies. They look like my hair. This is Bodie, and the male, and brother and sister, of course. And he is a little chubby monkey. He's like 5 pounds. It's not really chubby, but 5 pounds for him. It's probably 5.5, honestly. And she is like 4 pounds. And see, they're really tiny. They're teacup Yorkies. You guys want to go outside? Where's the squirrel? Squirrel? Squirrel. Who's that? Who's that? Squirrel. Mouse. All right, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Any questions, leave them below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links for these shoes. I hope you love them just the way I do. I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.